Hello everyone! So in this video I want to talk about two Finnish words. Lento ja lentää. So let's start with the word lento. 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 Lento translates to flight in English. Some words that you will come across lento in is, for example, lentoasema. Lentoasema. So when you're just arriving into Finland, you will be arriving at the Finnish lentoasema. So lentoasema translates to airport in Finnish. Lentoasema. Asema means station. So for example, you can say juna-asema, train station. Lentoasema is then flight station. But you might be wondering, okay, lentoasema is airport, but what about lentokenttä? Lentokenttä also translates to airport. Lentokenttä. Kenttä is sort of like a field, so flight field, literally translated, lentokenttä. Kenttä can also be used in words like futiskenttä, jalkapallokenttä, same thing, futis is just puhekieli, which is football field. I would say in everyday colloquial speech, you will hear the word lentokenttä being used way more frequently than lentoasema, although a lot of the official building names will be, for example, Helsinki-Vantaa lentoasema. That will be the official name of that building, but in everyday speech, more people that I have talked to use the word lentokenttä when talking every day about an airport, but they both mean airport. Then we have the word lentokone. Lentokone. Kone means machine, so flight machine. Lentokone means airplane. That's right, airplane. Lentokone. 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 We also have the word lentotarjoukset. So maybe you're on airline's website and you're trying to look for some deals. You might see the word lentotarjoukset. Lento, flight, tarjoukset, deals plural. So a tarjous is some kind of deal on something. So tarjoukset is deals plural. Lentotarjoukset, flight deals. Then we have something that you need before you board your lentokone. You need a lentolippu. Lentolippu. Flight lippu means ticket. So flight ticket, which in English is an airplane ticket. Lentolippu. Lentolippu. Flight ticket, airplane ticket, lentolippu. Some other words not relating to the airport or airplanes that use the word lento is, for example, lentopallo. Lentopallo. So lento, flight, pallo is a ball. Lentopallo is volleyball, okay? Volleyball is lentopallo. I don't know, I'm not very good at volleyball. Lentopallo. Lentopallo. Okay, and then one last word I wanted to add here that uses the word lento is tähdenlento. Tähdenlento. Tähti is a star. Sometimes switching back and forth between English and Finnish is a bit hard. Okay. Tähdenlento is shooting star. So tähti means star. Tähden means stars, apostrophe S. So a star's flight. Star's flight. Tähdenlento, shooting star. Tähdenlento. Tähdenlento means a shooting star. Let me know in the comments if you've ever seen a shooting star. Actually, here in Finland, there was a night, some weeks ago, I did put it on my Instagram, where you could actually see so many tähdenlentos. Okay, that's English. Where you could see many tähdenlentoja in the sky. Oh, it was so kaunis. Kaunis, pretty, beautiful. Okay, anyways, moving on to the next word, which is lentää. Lentää. Lentää means to fly as a verb. Lentää. So we have lento, which means flight, and lentää, which means to fly as a verb. To fly. Lentää. Lentää. So different things that might lentää is lintu lentää, a bird flies. Lintu lentää. Lintu lentää. What else could lentää? Well, lentokone lentää. An airplane flies. Lentokone lentää. Something else that flies could be kuuma ilmapallo lentää. Kuuma ilmapallo lentää. So kuuma ilmapallo is 3 words smushed into one, and it translates to hot air balloon. So kuuma means hot, ilma means air, pallo means ball. Hot air ball, hot air balloon. But actually, if you take away the word kuuma and just say ilmapallo, it means balloon. So ilmapallo lentää means a balloon flies. Balloon flies. Ilmapallo. But then add kuuma in front, it turns into hot air balloon. Yeah? So technically, you could either view kuuma ilmapallo as hot balloon or hot air ball. If you're really picking through it in different ways. Anyways, the point is, kuuma ilmapallo lentää means hot air balloon flies, and ilmapallo lentää means a balloon flies. Something else that might fly in Finland is an ampiainen. Ampiainen lentää. Ampiainen is a wasp. A wasp, like those little stinging bees. Ampiainen. Ampiainen lentää. Bzz. Well, that is it for this video. Hopefully you can remember these 2 new words now. Lento and lentää. Thank you for watching. Kiitos kun katsoitte ja nähdään ensi videossa. Moikka!